You're looking to export data from Salesforce, and I'm going to show you how to do it quickly and easily. Whether you're trying to back up important records or just need your data in a different format, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what steps to take. First, let's talk about accessing Salesforce. If you don't already have a Salesforce account, you can try it completely free by clicking the first link below. Plus, we've got some exclusive bonuses for you that you won't want to miss. Stick around until the end for more details on that. Now, once you're logged into your Salesforce account, let's get started. To export data, you need to head to the Reports tab. This is where most of the magic happens when you're dealing with data in Salesforce. Next, you'll either select an existing report or create a new one. It's best to pick a report that already has the data you want. But if you need to, you can build a custom report that includes the specific fields or records you're looking to export. The third thing to do is to click on the drop-down arrow next to the report you're interested in and then select Export. You'll be given a couple of options here: export as a.xls file or a.csv file. If you need to use the data in Excel, go with .xls. But if you're going to use it for other applications like a database or some data processing tools, CSV is your best bet. The fourth thing is to choose the format. Salesforce gives you the option of either an details export or a summary export. The details option includes all individual records, while the summary option just gives you an overview of the data. Make your choice based on what you need. Next up, it's time to filter out what you don't need. This is especially important if you're working with a large dataset. You can choose to include or exclude certain fields, so you're only exporting the information you actually need. Once your settings are in place, hit the Export button. Salesforce will generate a file for you to download. This could take a few moments depending on how large the report is. The last thing to keep in mind is that Salesforce limits the amount of data you can export at one time. If you're dealing with large volumes of data, you may need to run the export in stages, or use tools like Data Loader for larger datasets. This is especially true if you're exporting records from multiple objects or need data from custom fields. And that's it. You now know exactly how to export data from Salesforce, whether you need a quick report backup or a larger dataset. Remember, if you're looking to get started with Salesforce, you can sign up for a free trial by clicking the first link in the description below. And as a bonus, you'll get some exclusive offers that'll help you get even more out of your Salesforce experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the description for your exclusive free trial and bonuses.